It's our big story at 10. Allegheny County judge orders a retrial in the civil fraud case against the Green Bay Catholic Diocese. The case surrounds this former pedophile priest, John Patrick Feeney, accused of molesting Todd and Troy Merryfield in the 1970s. The Merryfields accused the diocese of knowing about Feeney's past and portraying him as safe. The brothers won their case, but the diocese claimed one juror was biased. Today, a judge agreed and ordered a new trial. NBC26's Deanna Corinthios is live in the newsroom with reaction.
Now, according to court documents, one juror told another she suspected something had happened between her brother and John Patrick Feeney in the 1950s. Now the Merryfield brothers coping with this new decision as the diocese prepares for a second trial.
Motion for a new trial granted. Judge Nancy Krieger's decision states one juror's bias taints the fairness of the entire trial. A victory for the Green Bay Catholic Diocese.
I respect her for making that decision and having the courage to do that.
For the Merryfield brothers, a frustrating turn of events.
It's clear what the diocese did. It's clear what harm was suffered as a consequence. And that they would put the Merryfields through this again is almost unconscionable.
Court documents state this all stems from a conversation juror 2042 had with others in the courthouse parking lot. One juror testified that juror 2042 looked at me and she says, "Do you realize that my brother was molested by Feeney in 1958? It's kind of like, why would I be chosen or whatever if my brother was molested in 1958? Ultimately, the judge found the juror never made the court aware that her brother attended a Catholic elementary school where Feeney was assigned and never mentioned her suspicions of sexual misconduct. The juror also admits she knows the Merryfields. She told the judge, "I felt so bad that they had to go through that. I knew it seemed to me that the Merryfield family was a very nice family." Now a second chance for the diocese.
We'll obviously take an approach that is going to be a lot more aggressive than what we did before.
As the Merryfields prepare to use new evidence that surfaced during the first trial.
The Merryfields case is stronger now than it was going into the trial in May.
The $700,000 judgment awarded to the Merryfields previously is now on hold until a new decision. Lawyers say it could be a year before a new trial is scheduled. Live in the Green Bay newsroom, Deanna Corinthios, NBC26.
The Survivors Network of Those Abused by Priests, or SNAP, also responded to today's ruling, saying, quote, "Our hearts are with the Merryfields as they prepare to face another trial, hold church leaders accountable, and keep our children safe."